and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. It has been a long time since I filmed in my space and just since I filmed in general. So I'm excited to bring this video to you guys. I have, first of all, before we even get into that, I am loving my makeup today. I'm so obsessed. It's from my BoxyCharm Premium and I'm obsessed. And then this wig, y'all already know. I said this was my summer hair. I'll link it down below. It's an Amazon purchase. I'm in love. Anyway, now let's get on into this video. So I have to give you guys a precursor. So there have been so many things happening with YouTube and I'm trying to figure it out. But until I figure it out, I'm going to do things a little bit different. I know that you guys have noticed that some of you have probably noticed my Amazon videos are gone and I'm working on bringing those back, but I got to figure out some things first. So, with that being said, today I have a bag for you guys and you already know how we do. Bougie on a budget. We do, inspired bags. We do, you know, lookalikes. We do, get the look for less, right? So I have an inspired bag to bring to you guys today from a new company. They did send me this bag, so I want to thank them so much. It's called LeatherRaine for sending me this bag. It is 100% genuine leather and it is super cute, so I'm excited to bring it to you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this new inspired designer bag. Okay guys, so here is the package that it came in. Just a standard what is this, brown box, and I don't know what to expect, so I'm gonna unbox this with you guys. I'm really anxious. I'm excited. It's one that I brought you guys before, like something similar with an Amazon inspired Amazon designer inspired bag. So I'm gonna see what I think about this one. I've seen this bag a couple of times and I was like, oh, I want it, but I already have one similar, so I was like, I don't know if I want to do it. I don't know if I want to do it. I went ahead and did it. So let's see. I got my knife right here so I can cut the tape off. Hopefully I don't cut myself. The have is taped up pretty well. All right. This is a new company, you guys. So I'm super excited to be able to bring them to you guys. Okay. So here is the inside of my box, and I love this tissue paper here. As I told you, the brand is LeatherRaine, and that's just what this black tissue paper says. Quality for less is what it says, and it's just black with like silver foiled wrapping. Oh baby, y'all, I'm unboxing. Oh my god, I'm unboxing this. Okay. Oh. Wait a minute. First of all, get into this. Get into this dust bag. What? Are you kidding me? It just says LeatherRaine, quality for less. This is like a microfiber dust bag. It feels amazing. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting this. I am like, this is heavy, by the way. What I got is really heavy, but I can feel the leather through this dust bag and I'm excited. But get into this dust bag. I am super impressed so far already. Oh my gosh. Thoroughly impressed. Okay. So, and it's a drawstring, just a drawstring. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so here it is. You guys already know what this is. This is a Bottega inspired bag. You know, those are really, really popular now. That's a like $1,000 bag and it's a very trendy bag. It's really cute, but I just couldn't see myself paying that much for that type of bag, you know, something that might be here today, gone tomorrow. So I appreciate designer inspired ones. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. You guys know I have one in like the cognac color, so I really am happy to get a black one because this will go with so many things. And this one is shaped a little bit different, so there is a difference there, but I love the way this feels. Oh my gosh, y'all. But okay, the kicker on this one, get into it. This one has the chain. You guys know that's the newest go round for the Bottega bags is the chain. What made me want this one is that this chain is metal, okay? It's not plastic, which you may or may not like. It is very heavy. It is very nicely made. It is very sturdy, but it's heavy. It's what made the bag so heavy. So there's that. If you're like me and wanted something like this, but you wanted a real leather one and you also wanted a real chain, then you are going to love this option. They did have it in another color, similar to the color I already have, the cognac color, and this one. So of course, y'all know I'll have everything linked down below for you. But I love this chain. Super nice quality. Very nice yellow gold. I mean, you guys, this is like... and I love that the chain is removable because I think it gives a nice edgy look to it. But if I wanted to go somewhere a little more sophisticated where I wouldn't want this such an edgy look, I can take this off, and I love that. So I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see what it looks like with it on there. And there are just some little tabs on the side. I don't know if you can see that you just hook. And also you get a leather swatch with it too. But you just hook it right here, this little circle ring, and you just hook it in there to attach your chain. And here she is. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I love this. I love it. Oh my gosh. And then it is so nice and roomy on the inside of this. First of all, it feels like butter in here. I don't know if the interior is real leather too, but it just feels so soft and nice. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this bag. Look at this. You guys, this is amazing. I am thoroughly impressed. We gonna keep LeatherRaine around because this dust bag, the packaging, the shipping, I literally got it in like 3 days. 2 or 3 days. 3 days is probably the most. I would give it 3 days at the most, but 2 days really, I want to say. I got my confirmation email and then it came. So really, really, really quick shipping. It shipped, I want to say FedEx. So, but here it is, you guys. I can't say anything else about it. I'm so obsessed. So I'll show you. Here's what it looks like on my shoulder. You guys, I'm 5'6" and I'm a size 18. And this is what it looks like on my shoulder. It comes right underneath, like right at my boob with the chain. And of course, you can carry it like this and let the chain hang if you wanted to do that. Or you can remove the chain altogether and carry it as a clutch. Oh my gosh, y'all. Obsessed. I'm obsessed. Is this not bomb? You have got to get you one of these. It feels so nice. It smells, there's no funky smells, no nothing. It's a beautiful handbag, and I'm so thoroughly impressed with their packaging and everything. You have to get you a bag from them. They have different designer inspired bags that you can choose from, but this one is the one that I was like, yes, I want that, specifically because of this gold chain, honey. But yeah, I don't want to hold you guys long. I just wanted to share and unbox this beauty with you guys because I was excited about it. I really wanted to share it with you, but they've more than exceeded my expectations. I am so thrilled with the quality of this bag. The packaging, everything is super impressive, and I am sold on LeatherRaine 100%. You have got to try them out, you guys. Beautiful bag. I want to thank them again for reaching out to me and sending me this beautiful bag. I will definitely be getting more bags from them. You will definitely see more of them on this channel because, honey, they did that. They absolutely did that. So anyway, that is it for this video, guys. I love you so much. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you are still social distancing, washing your hands, and all that jazz because the Rona is still real out here in these streets, okay? That's all I have for you guys. My wig will be linked down below, and Don't ask me where my t-shirt came from. My sister-in-law bought this for me, so I don't know. But details for this makeup will probably be in a video following very shortly. So that's it, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.